Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come spend the day with me as a flight instructor. Today I only have one flight on my schedule, so it should be pretty easy, chill day. However, the other day I also only had one flight on my schedule and then ended up having two more added on as the day kept going on. So could happen again, but we shall see. This is so silly, but I feel so official driving on the ramp. I think it's because when I was a student I never did that, so now it just makes me feel some kind of way. I don't know, being able to just drive on the ramp. But the training flight I did was in the Archer, and we went up to do some maneuvers and landings, and there was a joke when you get to the CFI level that your students are going to try to kill you. And the reason for that is because you're taking these people up that hardly have any time in the airplane and you're teaching them how to fly. So they're just going to do things sometimes that put you in some interesting situations. So on our flight, we were doing some power on stalls and one of them broke really hard to the right, and my student was not anticipating that and ended up almost putting us into a spin. So that was a lot of fun, but no worries, nothing crazy happened. I was able to get us out of it before it turned into anything serious. But after our flight, went to TJ Maxx to get Ozzy some more treats because he's almost out and we're going on vacation. And then I went to the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, because I make a big candy salad for my family when we go to the beach, and so I just like to get my candy from the Dollar Tree because I feel like it's saving me money. I don't know if it actually is, but I like to think that it is. And then when I got home, there was someone there that was cleaning our house, and Ozzy is not a fan of the vacuum cleaner, so he and I just spent a little time in my bedroom while we waited for her to finish up. I forgot to keep recording stuff yesterday, of course, so we're going to extend the video into the next day like we did last time. So today I actually don't have anything on my schedule. I still don't have any students of my own yet. I've been going up with other instructor students and doing discovery flights and then just kind of random stuff that needs to happen with the flight school. So that's kind of where I've been getting my hours in this last month. I do have a student that I'm going to be getting when I get back from vacation though, so that's really exciting and I'm happy about that. That'll be a little bit of consistency to my schedule, but I was told that this was going to be the case when I first got hired. They said it would take probably a month or two to get my first student, but then once I got my first student, it would slowly start to pick up, and they said about 3 or 4 months in, I should be pretty consistent and have a couple of students at that point, so I should be flying at least every day. But I have been flying enough to feel busy, but not, overly busy. It's been a good transition into the flight instructor life, and I've kind of been slowly easing myself in, which has been good. But it's nice that I have the day off today because I have a ton of stuff I need to do before I go on vacation next week. So for starters, I gotta decorate all these cookies. So I made my icing yesterday and we're about to decorate. I don't even know how many I have, probably like around 50 cookies. So that's gonna take forever. So I need the whole day to do that. And I still need to pack. 1 hour in, here's the progress. And it's actually closer to 60 cookies we have to decorate. 2 hours in, 3 hours in, and every cookie has been decorated, at least for the first part now. The only one that is finished are the seashells.
Potty break. Go potty?
Hour 4. I think we'll be able to finish in hour 5 though. Basically 5 hours, but we are done with the cookies. Now that the cookies are done, I'm going to assemble the candy salad jar. Candy salad jar is made. Might have gone a little bit overboard with the candy because I still have a whole full bag. But that's okay. I also got these for my family to try. They terrify me, but I'm also really intrigued. So this should be fun. I didn't end up packing. I had to do laundry and my clothes are still drying and I don't want to wait for them and then have to fold them and then pack. So we're just gonna do that in the morning and I'll just kind of last minute throw stuff in there. It's fine. I used to do that all the time as a flight attendant, so I'm not the type of person that has to pack things and like make sure everything is organized. I'll just throw stuff in my suitcase, which for this vacation, we don't really do a whole lot. We eat dinner at the house every night, so the only things I really need to bring are like bathing suits and lounge clothes. And then we usually go play golf, so I'll bring a golf outfit and then we might go out to dinner one night, so I'll just bring something to wear for that. But it's very chill. Like we literally go to the beach and play games. That's like pretty much the entire vacation. So I don't have to pack a whole bunch of crazy stuff. It's not going to be like, what am I forgetting? Because it just is. Even if I forget something, there's grocery stores around or all kinds of shopping centers, so we can get anything that I forget if we need to. But yeah, maybe one day on the beach vacation I'll get a video for you guys so you can see what that looks like for our family. There's gonna be, I think, like 25 of us all in one house for the whole week. It's a lot of fun. Sometimes it's a little much, but we usually all get along really well, so that's good at least. But yeah, it's always a good fun time. Lots of memories are made. But that is pretty much all for this video. Still kind of waiting for when things are going to pick up at work, but like I mentioned, I think in my last video, I'm kind of enjoying the downtime because the last year of my life with the accelerated program I went through was just constant, like, eat, sleep, breathe airplanes. Like I was constantly flying or studying or just something related to airplanes. So this kind of downtime has been nice. Like I can read books again that are not airplane books. So I've enjoyed that time to kind of be able to think about other things and like slowly easing myself into the flight instructor world. So it's slow, but I'm okay with that right now. Now if it stays this way for a couple months, then I might be like, what's going on? But there's some stuff in the works, so I feel like it's going to start picking up here soon, but we shall see how everything plays out. I'm just honestly grateful right now that I have a job because I know a lot of people that I went through training with are still looking for jobs and are struggling to even find anything at all. So I'm just very grateful that I even have this opportunity. Even if it's a little slow, I'm just trusting the process and just kind of going with the flow at this point. But as always, any questions, comments, whatever, put them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this day, or I guess 2 days in the life of a flight instructor. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!